Hello mga higala, today is February 20, 2020, February 20, tapos 2025. Ngayon, nag-ano ba ako? Naghalungkat ako doon sa mga ano ko, bills doon sa, nung na-hospital ako. Nakita ko pala, siguro itong parang diary, ito po diary na isulat ko, naisulat ko, siguro ano na ito, 1 year ng operation. Nagsulat pala ako sa bahay. Ngayon, basahin ko ha. Hindi baling wrong grammar or whatever. Ito ang nasulat ko pala, December 6, the day when I was rushed to Hayasi, ang pangalan ng first hospital na dinalhan sa akin. But there is no specialist doctor for operation. So, I was transferred to Fukui, yung pinakamalaki na. Ikaday ang pangalan, hospital, in Iheji. Dito lang din sa amin, Fukui Ken. On that day, December 6, 2017, they start operating on that day. Ewan kung ano na yung mga English. Tapos, ito pa. On that day. When they finished the operation, I woke up with nothing because I cannot see or lost my eyesight. I cannot see everything. Halaoy. And also, I lost my memory. But the days passed, thanks God. Slowly, I can already see the brightness, but not really recognize the things or person I cannot really recognize yet the things, the person that I know before, even my husband and my daughter. Naiyak na ako. Laban, Japan. My family, friends, only the voice of my husband and my daughter and my nearest friends that I recognize their voice who visit me in the hospital. But I'm very much thank God, my family, friends, the powerful prayer coming, taas din akong nasulat from them. Now, I transfer here in Nakamura Hospital, January 5, 2018, because our house is the nearest from the hospital when I was operated before. I also stay 1 month there to continue my rehabilitation and everything. Nasulat ko pala ito. Ito na, nasa bahay na siguro ako nito. Tapos yung mga taong nagbigay ng mga konting, tulong, at saka, meron pa pala, ito na pala. Tapos, marami pala akong nasulat. Uy, hindi ko na talaga ito alam. Meron pa ito, yung mag-check out ako. Maybe February or January, last month of these two, I already totally check out or going home. I'm very much happy to go back. But, there is doubtfully nervous to myself on how I go on my daily tasks, and don't want to make any disturbances to my husband and daughter. So I stand and do my daily routine, and for the good of my health. So I need to have rehabilitation in my own. Really, thank God for giving me another chance. Agoy, natulo na ako in my life and don't know what is the plan for me. Only God knows everything. Lastly, no matter what, only God knows, and have faith in Him, trust Him. Ito pala yung sinulat ko, oh. Hala, nakasulat ako ng marami-rami. Amazing. Ayan, oh, just sharing. Ito po. Thank you. Yun lang po.